Howdy everyone, this is Graham Pine. I'm with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm at the Residences at the Grove in Uptown Dallas. I am loving this 2-bedroom. Look at this gorgeous 2-bedroom. This would be perfect for 2 roommates or just if it's you and you want to have a guest. This is awesome. It's got high ceilings, super pretty floors, just really light. It's got a balcony with some views, and we may explore that in a minute. It's got a really social area here. You can put a huge couch there. It's got a bar area. Look at this bar area. It's got a wine fridge. You can put some drinks, liquor, those kind of things there. You've got a great island that's here. Super pretty. You've got, of course, all the appliances you need, and then you have gas. So you can cook with gas. This is awesome. Everything's all smart, so you've got the smart thermostat and those kind of things. This is the entrance, so you can see it. It's super cool. Really nice kind of storage business area. You're gonna have your washer and dryer included. Super, super pretty, but I mean, my goodness, look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? This would be a perfect 2-bedroom to start your Uptown Dallas adventure. Who would not want to be here? You would love it, and then having people over would be so fun in this. I love this 2-bedroom. It's got just a great feel, and we're going to explore it with one more video, but isn't it delightful? Okay, so if you like it, first of all, watch the next video. I'll explore some more features, but also if you're ready to take a tour to see this, and you want to see it in person or just on a virtual video, a virtual live like FaceTime or Zoom or Microsoft Teams, send me a text. Just use the number below. Just say, hey, I'd love to get more information about this. Maybe set up a tour. We'll take care of that 100% free. Just send me a text. Use that number below. Okay, let's do one more video. I'm going to explore just some other features, including the bathrooms and things like that in the bedrooms. So let's see that right now.